I'm your computer teacher. Today I will tell you how can you create libraries. For creating libraries, you have to open my computer. Open my computer and go to the left pan. Here you will get option for the libraries. Look, I have created two libraries already here, FamilyPix and GData. So I want to create new libraries. For this, you have to click here, go to new, click on the library. Now give the name. You can give name like just like FamilyPix, like neighbors pics, my dog pics, my dog's pics. Here I will keep my dog's pics only. So I'm created a folder here. And suppose you work for school, so you can create here one more library, school work. So you can keep your school work here, your picture, your assignments, everything you can put here. So like this you can create libraries of suppose this library is not in use, simply you have to just delete. It will ask yes or no. So yes, I want to keep GData also, so I will delete. And suppose you want to change the name, so you have option for rename, for renaming. For here you can rename school work name, home work. So now done. So here you have learnt how to create libraries and how to delete libraries. Third feature is jump list. Jump list is very simple. Suppose your MS Word is open. So please open your MS Word and like this minimize it. And when you right click on it, you will get all recent programs, means where and which type of files you open. So I have used such files. If I click a division sheet, so file is not at place, so I won't get. But if you have done recent work, you will get your file. So jump list is open any option like Word, like folder. Also like I have you opened these types of folder: desktop, new folder, classics, green templates. Suppose I have to open this, so it will open. So second, this option was jump list. Sorry. And now third topic is stacking. Stacking is little bit different. For the stacking, you have to do nothing. You have to just open your window. Stacking, you have to open two windows like this one and this one. Suppose I have two windows. So what I will do, I will take this window this side and this window this side fully. Yes, like this. Look, you can equally do means now your screen will divide in two parts and equally. Again I show you how to do it. So first open two windows, any windows, like first window this one and second is my computer. I will take this window here and I will take this window here. Look, simple. This step is very easy. So now you can do stacking. Now you have to do pinning. For the pinning, suppose you want to do notepad on your taskbar. So you can do pin to taskbar. And look what is happening. Notepad file is here. Suppose you want to pin any like PowerPoint. So I will do pin to taskbar and PowerPoint is here. Now I will click, PowerPoint will open simply. So we call it pinning. And here you can unpin also. Look, this is a jump list. I told you recently, and this is the unpin option. Here if you unpin, it will remove from taskbar. It will hide from the taskbar. So now like this you can pin your program or unpin your program. Second last topic is window media player. How will you play a window? Open window player. Window media. Look, half you will type, you will get window media player. Now you know very well what you can do on the window media player. It is asking for a few settings. So on window media player you can watch your movies, you can listen to songs, you can do many things here. So this is my window media player, and if I have something music, so I can listen to music, I can organize, I can find, and I can play anything. Suppose I want to play this animation, I will go open with. I have many player. VLC player is the best, so I can click here and it will play here. Maybe like yes. This I just made this simple animation, so it will play like this. You can watch and play again. You have some options you will get, and you play your files. So this is the window media player. Apart from this, last topic is, suppose you want to record your voice in your computer. So you have option recorder, 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 sound recorder. Now, but for the sound recorder you need mic. Here I'm not using system mic. I'm using some another mic. So for if you want to record something, so you have option sound recorder. You can record your voice. You need headphone, or use separately. You can use mic. So there are so many mics in option, and even you can buy headphones. So you will get inbuilt mic. So you click on it. It will record your voice, and whatever you are doing, the look number is going on, number is running. So you can record anything, and you can use these voices into your presentation. Even you make your YouTube channel, even you make videos like me, like I'm using recording. So I'm not using system recording. So you can make your assignments, your projects, and you can save it. If you just, when you stop it, you can save. Just give the location. Suppose you want to save on the desktop or download folder, or suppose your homework folder. So you can give the name, record 1. So it will ask you the include or save, include folder, and something, this is another thing, include, and it will save. So you can save your files. Your content PDF file, so you can read and you can do these steps at your home. Thank you everyone, and if you have any doubt, you can put queries on my personal window. Thank you. You have 4 windows like this, and you have to close all windows together. So what you will do in this case, so in this case I have on my screen 4 windows. So I will show you how can you close all windows except current window. So for this you have to click on the title bar, and just see all windows are here. I'm showing minimizing it, because if you minimize 20 or 100 windows like this, so it will take time taking process, so you cannot do. So for this option you have shake windows. So I'm showing you, I'm opening all windows here, and I will show you how can you minimize all windows together except the current window. For this you have to click on title bar, and you have to drag back and forth. You have to drag back and forth. Click on the title bar and drag back and forth like this. Look, yes, done. And again you will do, you will back all screen, all windows on your screen. Look like this. Yes, great. So like this you can do. How can you can minimize all windows? I will show you one more time here. Like this you did. Look, it's very simple, but you need practice for this. It's very simple. Yes, look again. Yes, done. So we called it, this option we call it shake feature.